everybody, I'm Jeremy Yeh from 3C, and we are Group 5 of the first Geography Term project. Today, we're visiting the Humanitarian Study Trail to take a look at different engineering works and study their purpose and effectiveness. We will mainly cover 3 of them, namely retaining wall and 2 cut slopes. So, without further ado, I'll start by talking about the retaining wall. Oh, hey there! Now, I'll talk about the first slope method. Right behind me is the retaining wall. This retaining wall is situated on the north side of the Wayman House. Of the Wayman Estate, this retaining wall is situated between the Wayman House at the bottom and Chung House Street on the surface. In this retaining wall, there's a slope registration plate to show its basic information, including the slope registration number, the maintenance department responsible, and its respective contact number. This retaining wall is designed to artificially alter the slope of the soil to make space for a footpath, which I'm standing right here. Because of this, the retaining wall is made of concrete, which is a rigid material that can withstand soil materials. On top of the actual retaining wall, there are also a number of weep holes present along the surface of the wall. These weep holes are there to drain out excess groundwater near the surface above.
Thank you, Jesse, for your presentation. Now, I would like to talk about the second slope measure in this research, the cut slope. The cut slope is located on the pedestrian pathway along Howman Street. The road itself is a very gentle slope. On the cut slope, there is a slope maintenance access which is provided for authorities to maintain the slope. Over here, we can see that there is a surface channel on the cut slope. This surface channel diverts rainwater and other sources of water on the slope to minimize the penetration of water into the slopes. In the case of infiltration, if large amounts of water penetrate the slope, it fills the pores between the soil particles and thus reduces the cohesion of the slope materials. All of this causes the slope to be unstable. Hence, we can determine that the surface channel is very important and effective in protecting the cut slope. Aside from the multiple surface channels across the cut slope, we can also visibly see some sort of greenish fabric on the slope, right here. This fabric is called a soil erosion control mat. The soil surface is covered with this control mat along with wire mesh right here to reduce soil erosion. These mats also serve the purpose of greening as they allow plants, right here you can see, to grow through. Greening is also essential for engineered slopes like this as they significantly improve the appearance of said slopes.
Thank you, Jeremy. Behind us, there's another cut slope. It's located behind the soccer field in Humanitarian Park along Howman Street. As you may know, Jeremy has just talked about a cut slope, but this slope is different. On this slope, there are soil nails and rock bolts, composed of steel bars and cement grouted drill holes. So, what are their applications? Well, soil nails are a construction measure for a man-made slope to maintain its stability and safety, while rock bolts are used to stabilize the rock materials underground. And most importantly, they are used to provide physical support to the slope to prevent landslide. Moreover, the concrete on the soil, which is known as the shotcrete surface, prevents rainwater from seeping in. The heavy rainfall in summer is a natural cause of landslide. Therefore, we need weep holes and surface channels which drain the excess water. Last but not least, these trees planted here are known as greening, which complete a greenery system to enhance our environment.
Now, to conclude, we have talked about 3 separate slopes in this video, namely 2 cut slopes and 1 retaining wall. During this presentation, we have also covered multiple types of slope measures such as repose, surface channels, soil nails, concrete covers, anti-erosion mats, and etc. I am Jeremy.
I'm Jesse. And I'm Hugo. Thanks for watching.